Okay, so in this video I wanted to show you how to arbitrarily move things around, rotate things in um, a file. So here's a file I'm creating. I'm going to show you this in Photoshop, Illustrator, and then also the GlowForge uh, uh, laser app. So to rotate an item, you could press Command and T, that takes you into the transformation screen, and then go to a corner and you get this little rotation icon, and then you can drag, and at this point you can drag it around and you'll see the degrees that I'm rotating showing on the screen there. Now that's great if you just want to move it a few little degrees just to kind of line it up or do something very, very small. But sometimes we want to move things in bigger chunks, so a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle, or turn it completely upside down with a 180-degree angle. And I'm going to show you a very simple tip. I actually have been using Photoshop, Illustrator for many years, and it was a friend of mine, Desiree, who pointed this out to me. And you can do this in a number of different apps. So this time we're going to rotate the text, and instead of rotating like I just showed you, I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and now it's jumping in 15-degree angles, which getting it to exactly getting it to exactly 90 degrees, for example, is super easy, and not 88.6 or 92.1. It's going to get to exactly 90 degrees by holding down that Shift key while you're rotating. So the same thing works in Illustrator too. Let's go ahead and rotate this guy. So we're going to select this box, and again we're going to hold down Shift and just move the cursor around, and it's going to jump in 45-degree angles. Now this doesn't stop there. In the GlowForge app, sometimes you want to just move and I just like scaling things today. Moving an item here, and here's the little rotate icon, and we can hold down Shift and rotate, and again it's going to jump around at 45 degrees rather than the 1 degree or 2 degree that we would be getting if we did it without the Shift key. So that's a really super handy little tip. Holding down Shift when rotating does it in big steps, so you don't have to guess at the degrees. If you like this video, please click like, and obviously make sure you subscribe to our channel to be updated with other hints and tips.